Hello everyone, this is Atifa and I welcome you all to the new episode of In Depth. Our today's topic is UK to give long-range Storm Shadow cruise missiles to Ukraine. And our points of discussion will be background of the news, what is Storm Shadow cruise missile, what are capabilities of Storm Shadow cruise missiles, and where has it been used, and how could Storm Shadow help Ukraine fight Russia. And after that, there will be two questions related to the topic for your practice, one for prelims and one for mains. So let's start today's topic, and first of all, let's understand the background. The United Kingdom will provide long-range Storm Shadow cruise missiles to Ukraine, which it has been requesting in a bid to push back invading Russian forces, British Defence Secretary Ben Wallace told Parliament on May 12. The weaponry is the latest addition to the long list of military aid given to Kyiv by its Western allies. Ukraine has so far received a wide variety of weapons and ammunition, including anti-tank missiles, anti-aircraft systems, and artillery since Russia invaded it in February 2022. Okay, now let's understand that what is Storm Shadow cruise missile. So, Storm Shadow is a long-range, air-launched, conventionally armed deep strike missile which is manufactured by the France-based MBDA missile systems. It was first produced after the UK Ministry of Defence placed a €1.13 billion contract with MBDA Systems for the development and production of the Storm Shadow long-range missile in 1997. This same year, France also commissioned MBDA to develop and manufacture Storm Shadow for its forces. The demand for the missile quickly rose as in the following years other countries like Italy and Greece placed orders for the missile. Now let's know that what are capabilities of Storm Shadow cruise missiles. With a range of more than 250 km, Storm Shadow weighs 1,300 kg and is 5.10 meter long. It is capable of being operated day and night in all weathers and designed to destroy high-valued stationary targets such as air bases, radar installations, communications hubs, and port facilities. The report by Air Force Technology mentioned that what makes this missile a stealthy weapon is the combination of its long range, low altitude, and supersonic speed. The Storm Shadow, equipped with the fire and forget technology, also offers high precision deep strike capability as it features a sophisticated navigation system that includes inertial navigation, that is INS, global positioning system or GPS, and terrain reference navigation for better control over the path. After launch, the weapon descends to terrain-hugging altitude to avoid detection. On approaching the target, its onboard infrared seeker matches the target image with the stored picture to ensure a precision strike and minimal collateral damage. The missile features the BROACH broach, that is Bomb Royal Ordnance Augmented Charge warhead. A high-technology warhead which first cuts the surface of the target, penetrates into it, and then explodes. Okay, now let's understand where has it been used. So, according to MBDA, Storm Shadow is operated from Eurofighter Typhoon Rafale, Mirage 2000 and Tornado. It is in service with the Royal Air Force, the French Air Force, the Italian Air Force, and a number of export countries and has seen operational service in Iraq, Libya, and Syria. Okay, now let's know that how could Storm Shadow help Ukraine fight Russia. Experts suggest Storm Shadow missiles could bolster Ukraine's much anticipated counteroffensive. The use of Storm Shadow will allow Ukraine to push back Russian forces based within Ukrainian sovereign territory. An analysis published in the Telegraph said owing to the long range of the weapon, it would enable Ukrainian forces to strike targets virtually anywhere across Russia. Most significantly, however, the Ukrainians could use Storm Shadow to destroy the Kerch bridge that connects Crimea to the Russian mainland. Okay, now it's time for the practice question for prelims. With reference to Storm Shadow cruise missile, consider the following statements. Statement 1. Storm Shadow is a long-range air-launched missile. And Statement 2. It is manufactured by the UK-based MBDA missile systems. You have to select the correct statement with the help of the given options, and options are A1 only, B2 only, C both 1 and 2, or D neither 1 nor 2. And the question for mains is, the war between Russia and Ukraine has created a humanitarian crisis throughout the whole world. Discuss with reasons. So that's it for today. Stay tuned for the next session. Till then, Jai Hind.